Hello, my dear friends. In this video, I'll share my passion for fountain pens. Not just using them to handwriting and drawing, but also the fascinating story behind how they were invented. Did you know a Romanian inventor changed how the world writes forever? Let's dive into the story of the man behind the fountain pen and how another inventor made it even better. Welcome to this video about Petrece Poenaru, the Romanian who invented the first modern fountain pen in 1827, and Louis Edson Waterman, the American who perfected it decades later. Together, they redefined the way we write. At 28, Petrece created a pen with its own ink reservoir. No more dipping in a messy inkwell. He called it the endless portable pen that feeds itself ink. France gave him a patent in 1827, but his design had flaws. Ink flow was uneven and it could leak. Still, it was a game changer. Fast forward to 1880 when Louis Edson Waterman, an American insurance salesman, faced a problem. Pens kept leaking and smudging. So he invented a capillary feed system. What's that? He added tiny grooves and air holes to control ink flow perfectly. No more leaks, no more mess. He patented this in 1884, U.S. patent number 298,396, making fountain pens practical for everyone. Together, these inventors changed history. Poenaru made writing portable. Waterman made it reliable. Without them, no diaries, no school exams, no love letters, and maybe even fewer revolutions. Waterman's pens became a status symbol, like owning an iPhone today. His company still exists, crafting luxury pens. Poenaru, he never got rich, but his legacy lives in every scribble you make. So next time you write a note, remember, a Romanian visionary and an American tinkerer made it possible. Small ideas, big impact. What do you think? Should Poenaru get more credit? Let's chat in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you love this story, hit subscribe. Till next time, play guitar, stay curious, and keep writing your own history. Bye for now.